children ever attended
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be stuff about my pets. And I only have one, and this is him. Yeah. So, whoa! So this is Seiko, and he's really lazy, and he doesn't eat much. Speaking of eating, I'll show you what he ate. That's what my mom prepared him, and he ate nothing. That's his water bowl, and that's his dry food. Eats that all the time. So that's him. He's just like adorable, and I love him so much. Yeah, is that right? Is that right? Yeah, is that right? Is that right, Seiko? Yeah, that's Seiko, and he's pretty lazy. He has some hurt legs back here. Here's his little face. His ears don't work very well. Here, let's see. Seiko! Tiki! Seiko! 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 Hey! Seiko! Seiko! Six! Hey! Baby. There we go. Yeah. This is just a little stuff about my puppy. Now it's time for a little puppy story. My mom went to Spokane, I think it was, to drop off some friends at the airport, and there was this puppy shelter, so she went in, and all these puppies were jumping around her, and then there was this one in the back, and she said, I want this little guy. So she paid for Seiko, and she took him to some place, and then he peed there because he didn't pee outside, and then she picked up one of my cousins, and then she went to my grandma's house, and my cousin had this little puppy hiding inside her coat. They jumped out, and he got a little toy, and then we figure out his name should be Seiko, and we named him Seiko, and it's S-I-K-O. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. In the comments, tell me if you like this cutie. I do. Bye-bye.